Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm investigating the carbon flux in soil and how that changes with altitude and aspect. So I'm using this equipment here, which is an erga.
Wow, an infrared gas analyzer. That's fantastic. Superb.
Yeah, so we connect it all up here. We've got gas in and gas out, and it connects to this part here, which you wedge into the soil, and it measures the flux of carbon from the soil to the air.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, carbon dioxide's like it's like an indicator of microbial respiration,
Yeah.
and CO2 evolution from the soil, which is an index of life, isn't it?
Yeah, so we found up at the top near the glacier there's a lower flux because there's less microbial activity, but down here in the woods there's a lot more going on. We've got the trees, we've got a lot of ants around here as well, so we've got higher numbers
and
here.
It seems like the numbers are high here.
Yes.
Fantastic. Great. So we've got a soil pit here. Tell us about this, Alex. What's going on?
So we're down in the valley here, so we've got quite a deep soil pit, and here we've got the kind of distinct horizons. We've got the O horizon up here, A is sort of this section here, and B is most of it all the way down.
Yes, yes.
And we've got the parent material right at the bottom, which is a lot lighter in colour and more platy and clayey.
So how's it gone with respect to, I know you've studied altitude and aspect, you've gone up to, how high did you get to? About 2,800 metres, something like that?
Up in the glacier around 2,800,
Yeah.
and our highest site I think was around 2,600, 700.
Wow, that is pretty high for us that have come from Lancaster. And yeah, so what have you found? What are you thinking with the altitude? Tell us more about this sort of altitude and aspect thing.
So in terms of the soil pit itself, we could only dig so far because it was so rocky and the soil was a lot less developed there.
In the higher regions. Yeah, the soil doesn't form as much.
Down here, we can go a lot deeper.
Yeah, it's more soil formation basically. So good old soil forming factors are more active down here in terms of development and progression. Fantastic. Thanks ever so much, Alex.
No worries.
Brilliant.